Let's find oxidation number of a given compound by using a structural method or by modifying a structure, which cannot be obtained by conventional method. So here is the first question, which is Fa3O4. It consists of two oxides, so it has to be broken into two parts, which is FeO dot Fe2O3. Fa3O4 को दो पार्ट में ब्रेक कर देंगे, FeO और Fe2O3 में. अगर कन्वेंशनल मेथड से सॉल्व करें तो आप देख सकते हैं कि क्या आएगा. That will be Fe will be 3x, this will be 4 minus 2, which will give us 0. So 3x minus 8 is equals to 0, so 3x is equals to 8, so x will be 8 by 3. So this will be fractional part. Now let's solve it separately. So it will be x minus 2 is equals to 0, so it will be x is equals to 2. Now for f, this will be plus 2. Now for this part, it will be 2x plus 3 minus 2 is equals to 0. So 2x minus 6 is equals to 0. So it will be 2x is equals to 6. So x will be plus 3. So this will come out as plus 3. यहाँ पे इसका ऑक्सीडेशन स्टेट प्लस 3 आएगा. अब 8/3 कैसे आया? तो दिस इज एवरेज ऑक्सीडेशन स्टेट. यहाँ 3 आयरन है, तो एक आयरन का ऑक्सीडेशन स्टेट प्लस 2 है, जबकि यहाँ 2 है और एक का है प्लस 3. तो 2 का कितना हो जाएगा? प्लस 3 एंड टोटल इज 3, सो डिवाइड बाई 3. दिस इज आवर एवरेज. सो दिस विल बी 8/3 ओनली, बट द करेक्ट वन इज प्लस 2 एंड प्लस 3. नाउ let's take next question, and that is Pb3O4. In the same way, this will also be separated. So this will be PbO dot Pb2O3. Now solve it. It will be x minus 2 is equals to 0, so x will be plus 2. So the first will contain plus 2. For the second part, it will be 2x plus 3 minus 2 is equals to 0, so it will be 2x minus 6 is equals to 0. So 2x is equals to 6, so x is equals to, that will be plus 3. So here it will contain plus 3 oxidation state. Our next part, and that is Ki3. This Ki3 is broken into two parts, that is Ki plus I2. For molecular state, oxidation number is 0. For K here we will take as x, and for I it will be minus 1, and that will be 0, so x will be plus 1. So here we will get plus 1 oxidation state of central atom. Our next question, it is S2S4O6. This is S2S4O6. Let's find it by conventional method. That will be 4x, ये प्लस 2 हो जाएगा, एंड दिस विल बी 6 minus 2, एंड एल्जेब्रिक सम 0 के बराबर होगा. सो विल से डैट 2 plus 4x minus 12 is equals to 0. So 4x minus 10 is equals to 0. So 4x is equals to 10, and this will be x is equals to 10 by 4. Now this is incorrect over here. So we'll take a structural method because there are 4 S4. So it will be drawn as S, and each sulfur contains 2 oxygen double bond. So it will be double bond O, double bond O, double bond O, and there is 2 oxygen left, so it will come up with 2 hydrogen. Now each double bonded will contain minus 2, so reverse it will contain plus 2. If this is minus 2, so this will contain plus 2. This is minus 1, so this will contain plus 1. So oxidation state of sulfur 1 is plus 5. For sulfur it will be 0 because they are continuous in nature and they are same in electronegativity. क्योंकि इलेक्ट्रोनेगेटिविटी में सेम है, इन पे डिफरेंट चार्ज हो नहीं सकते, तो इनको 0 0 कंसिडर करते हैं. अगर लास्ट का लिया जाए तो यहाँ -2, सो इट विल बी प्लस 2. दिस इज -2, सो इट विल बी प्लस 2. यहाँ -1 है तो यहाँ पे +1 आएगा, तो इसका भी +5 आएगा. अगर मैं इसका एवरेज ऑक्सीडेशन स्टेट निकालूँ, सो दिस विल बी +5 + 0 + 0 +5 डिवाइडेड बाई 4, and that will be 10 by 4. But individually oxidation state is +5 0 0 and +5. Our next question is, that is CS3 CS2 OH, and there is 2 carbon, carbon 1 and carbon 2. For this we must remember that if we are finding the oxidation state of carbon first, so we have to consider CH3 oxidation number as +1. अगर हम कार्बन 1 का ऑक्सीडेशन स्टेट निकालते हैं तो CH3 को +1 कंसिडर करेंगे, और अगर 2 का निकालते हैं, दिस इज फॉर 1, अगर 2 का निकालते हैं तो CH2OH को -1 कंसिडर करके चलेंगे. सो लेट्स सॉल्व इट फॉर 1. सो दिस विल बी X and this CH3 will contain +1 only. Now there is 2H2, so it will be 2 + 1, and this is OH, so this will contain -1 and algebraic sum will be 0. OH में -1 चार्ज होता है, मैंने डायरेक्टली -1 ले लिया, बाकी -2 और +1 ले सकते थे. So this will be X + 1 + 2 - 1 = 0. So it will be X = -2. This is for carbon 1. Now for carbon 2. So for carbon 2 we'll take it as -1. Now CH3, it will be X 3 + 1, and this will be -1 = 0. So X + 3 - 1 = 0. So it will be X + 2 = 0. So X will be -2. So this will be the oxidation state. Now our next question is acetic acid, and that is CH3COOH, and this can be drawn as CH3 C double bond OOH. So same concept for carbon 1. carbon 1 के लिए हम लोग क्या करेंगे, CH3 को +1 कंसिडर करेंगे, और कार्बन 2 के लिए COH को डायरेक्टली हम लोग -1 कंसिडर करके चलेंगे. इट विल बी इजी टू सॉल्व. चलिए कार्बन 1 के लिए सॉल्व करते हैं. सो इट विल बी X, एक डबल बॉन्ड है, दिस विल बी -2, और OH है तो दिस विल बी -1, and for CH3 we'll consider it as +1, so it will be equal to 0. So this will cancel out, it will be X = +2. So for carbon 1 it will be +2. सेकेंड के लिए सॉल्व करते हैं. So it will be, we'll take X, that will be 3 + 1, and directly COH will be -1, so equal to 0. So X + 3 - 1 = 0, so it will be X + 2 = 0. So it will be going to X - 2. So for carbon 2 the oxidation state will be -2. Our next structure is CrO5, and this is butterfly structure. And this will be as Cr, 1 double bond with oxygen and 4 peroxide linkage. So this will be our peroxide linkage, and this is our butterfly structure. So we know that for -2 this will give us +2, and for 1 oxygen it will give +1, -1 + 1, this will be -1, this will be +1, this will be -1, and this is +1. So overall we see that chromium has oxidation number of +6. If you find it by conventional method, we'll see that X + 5 - 2 = 0. So X - 10 = 0, X = +10, which is not possible. Our next structure is Na2H2O3, that is Na2H2O3. Now we have to find it for sulfur. Now for odd number of oxygen here, sulfur is 2, so one will be with coordinate linkage. So one sulfur gets coordinate linkage. So it will be S, coordinate linkage S, this will be O and O Na, and this will give us O Na, here double bond O. So we got 4 oxygens, so this will be like this only. We'll get it like this only. There is 3 oxygen, so 1 2 3 oxygen over here. So we now consider this will be -2 because 2 electrons are transferred directly. 2 इलेक्ट्रॉन सीधे इसके पास आ जाते हैं कोऑर्डिनेट लिंकेज में, तो इसका डायरेक्टली -2 हो जाएगा. तो एक सल्फर का जो ऑक्सीडेशन नंबर है उसको सीधे हम -2 मान लेंगे. इसकी वजह से इसके ऊपर क्या आएगा, +2. इस ऑक्सीजन की वजह से -2 तो इस पे क्या आ जाएगा +2, इसकी वजह से -1 तो इस पे +1 आ जाएगा, इसकी वजह से -1 तो इस पे +1 आ जाएगा। तो हम देख सकते हैं टोटल काउंट करने के बाद 2 1 3 2 5 1 6। सो सल्फर पे ऑक्सीडेशन नंबर दूसरा क्या हो जाएगा प्लस का 6 हो जाएगा, एक पे -2 और दूसरे पे +6 ऑक्सीडेशन नंबर हो जाएगा। और नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज C3O2, और इसमें सारे डबल बॉन्डेड होते हैं। पहले लगातार 3 कार्बन आएंगे, फिर उन पर डबल बॉन्ड इंक्लूड होंगे। यहाँ कोई डिफरेंस होगा नहीं, तो इस पर ऑक्सीडेशन नंबर 0 होगा। इस पर -2 है तो इस कार्बन पे +2 होगा, इस पे -2 है तो इस कार्बन पे +2 होगा। तो इस कार्बन पे हम कह सकते हैं +2, इस पे 0 और इस वाले कार्बन पे +2 ऑक्सीडेशन स्टेट आएगा। अगर कन्वेंशनल मेथड से देखें, दिस विल बी 3x plus 2 minus 2 is equals to 0. So this will be 3x minus 4 is equals to 0. So 3x is equals to 4. So x is equals to 4 by 3. यहाँ पे अगर देखें एवरेज निकालें तो +2 +0 +2 and there is 3 carbon, so it will be this like as 4 by 3 only. तो एवरेज इतना आएगा, लेकिन एक्चुअल ऑक्सीडेशन स्टेट +2 0 and +2 will come out. Now there is one more question, and that is Br3O8, and this can be drawn as single Br bond first and then all double bond, all will be double bonded. We know this will be -2, so this is +2, this is -2, so this is +2, this is -2 +2. So first Br contains +6 oxidation number, second this is -2, so this will be +2, this is -2, so this will be +2, so this will contain +4. For this is -2, this will be +2, this is -2, this is +2, this is -2, this is +2, so this will also contain +6 oxidation state. So if you find by conventional method, this will be 3x plus 8 minus 2 is equals to 0, so it will be 3x minus 16 is equals to 0, so 3x is equals to 16, so x is equals to 16 by 3. By this method we can find 6 plus 4 plus 6 by 3, so this will be 16 by 3 only. So in this way we can find oxidation state or oxidation number. Our last structure is S2SO5, that is Carro's acid, S2SO5, and that is HO, H double bond O, double bond O, OOH. So there is one peroxide linkage. Now it is -2, so this will be +2, this is -2, so this will be +2, this is -1, so this will be +1, this is -1, so this will be +1. So overall we'll get oxidation state as x is equals to 6, but with conventional method it will differ. So this is how we solve oxidation number for exceptional case. Thank you.